worst nightmare. I dreamed that someone was trying to clean the vent covers above their stove by scrubbing for hours and hours. They just scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed. That would be horrible. You don't have to do that. Hi, I'm Amy, and this is A Lolly Life. And today, I am going to show you how to clean the vent screen cover things that are like above your stove and below the microwave. Do you even know that you have them? Guess what? You do. And they're greasy and they're grimy and they're horrible. And just to even touch them makes your like fingers stick to them, and it's a terrible, terrible thing. But it happens to everybody, so like it is what it is. But you do not have to scrub those for hours and hours and hours to get them clean. There is a better way. They're up here, and it's just you push it back, pull it forward, and it slides out, and it's super sticky. Probably once a year, maybe every 6 months, depends on how much cooking you do in the house. But you need to clean the vent filter. I have some water and a little bit of cleaner, and this is kind of a high-end vinegar, but really any kind of vinegar would work. You might just have to boil it longer depending on what kind of cleaner you use, but I'm going to add a little bit of cleaner to that, and then I'm going to put my lovely, very dirty looking things in it. You can see what the other side looks like right now, and it is like super sticky to the touch. I added about a cup. And we're just gonna boil for a long time. This is how you clean the vent filter while you're taking a nap, because napping is very important. Lots of it came off, but there is still some residue. You can kind of see the darkness in there. It left this like really nasty, greasy grime on the sides. But check this out. Spray it with a little bit of watery soap. Dawn dish soap. Scrub gently. And it just rinses off. Just like that. Sparkly clean and new. A little bit damp, but still sparkly clean. Very, very mild scrubbing. You did pretty well. I'm impressed. Really, really impressed. And just like that, with very little effort and very little scrubbing, just a little bit of boiling water and some vinegar, extra strong vinegar at that, but a little bit of boiling water and vinegar, and voila, it cleaned it for you while you were off doing more important things, like taking naps. Now you know how to clean the vent filter above the stove while you're taking a nap with your soft and fluffy blanket. And I'll see you next time on A Lolly Life. It's a soft and fuzzy blanket. I love it so much. It's so soft and so cuddly. I just love soft and cuddly blankets.